as from 8 in the morning. Today, I found out that my office had been invaded by the JSU officers. And these officers, they were not talking to anybody else. Then I was called in the morning that the JSU, they have invaded your office and they have blocked anybody getting into the office. I was asked not to go to the offices. But like any other king in his kingdom, I could not run away from my people. Therefore, I decided to get to the stadium where my offices are. I found indeed police officers who were JSU were lined up for action. I don't know which action they wanted because there were two in every point. And the bigger battalion was seated at the far end. I reached out to them, tried to talk to them. There was no response until their bosses came. Then in engaging the bosses for around 10 minutes, they told me they had come to the stadium to rest. And it was in the morning. The question is, could the JSU leave their camp at 8 in the morning, come and rest at the governor's office? No. Though now the county commander says they lost their route and found themselves inside there. I want to plead. Good people, let us maintain peace. Yes. Because I know the provocation they wanted to cause is that they wanted a confrontation in the morning. And imagine today, we were starting our exams for the first time to a big number of our children. I would request, I know the provocation they wanted in the morning, that there is a confrontation, tear gas to be thrown, people to be shot, then they end up either arresting me. Yeah. Yes. Because there has been, and I want to say, there has been, all attempts to provoke Simba Arati. I'm a governor. I cannot go down to a level of a member of parliament or any other person. We know the only people who can come to investigate is the DCI, EACC, and I welcome them. If there is anything, they come daytime, and I've asked them, let them not come at night. I stay in the remote. There are very many people there. We don't want to have any casualty. They come daytime, I'll open for them anything. My office, all of you, that is under renovation. I don't operate in my office. The stadium itself, where my offices again are, it's under renovation. I have turned part of my residence as my office. Therefore, there is a lot of rumors, Simba's documents. The documents I have, they are government documents. I ask my officers to come to brief me as an accounting officer. I know for sure it is possible that even the president could not be knowing what is happening. But the players, they want to intimidate. We know there is government. I'm also a government. We are in this country. And I want to ask our police officers, you can operate anywhere in the country. Don't be intimidated. Do your work. I'm told even the officers who arrested the criminals who have killed border people here, they were transferred. Forget about those. The officers who arrest the criminal who is now in prison, they were transferred. Their mistake is arresting a criminal who has killed and maimed many people in this town. For those ones of you who are border people, I want to plead with you. please let us maintain peace. Yes, I know you are being intimidated left, right. I'll be there. Reke squad, please, you can be taken to even Boni and take care of those people who want to disturb our business. I want to say this. I want to thank you. I want to thank you. Save that we have this constitution that safeguards our rights even when you are that low. Kwa hivyo nataka nishukuru, niwaambie tafadhalini ninyi muendelee na kazi nzuri, and nimeuliza, nimepiga ripoti like any other good citizen, kwa sababu nimepata askari JSU karibu 20 na gari zingine zilikuwa zimesimama nje. Sasa kama nimewapata, lazima nikuje niambia DCI, tafadhali mchunguze, mjue ni nani. Lakini county commander amesema anajua hao askari wako in the county. Nauliza, kuna mitihani inaibiwa sasa, kuna fujo. Na stadium ni shule. Haya, tumekubaliana. Tusikizane ndugu zangu. Tumekubaliana sisi zote kama wananchi watukufu tuheshimu sheria, tuheshimu watu wengine pia wote, tuikuze kaunti yetu. Nitakuwa mtu wa mwisho. Nitaomba pia serikali kuu tuheshimiane. Kwa sababu ukweli ni kwamba iseme kwamba serikali kuu tuko serikali 48, serikali kuu na serikali za ugatuzi 47. Kwa hivyo tuheshimiane tu, tufanye kazi. Na polisi, kazi yenu itakuwa rahisi wakati hata kama there is a criminal, mnajua. Nyinyi kuja niambie, I'll get information, I'll help you to root them out of the society. Tafadhali. Wacha niachie hapo wakili aseme kitu.
Mheshimiwa Gavana, we have been informed today morning that there are police officers at the governor's office, and we had to rush and understand why governor, our client, has got all the presence of police officers. This information has been going round in the media from last week. As you are aware, it has been going round that we will be having a heavy number of police officers in Kisii town. These are the people that are threatening the governor. You see, these are intimidations. We have not seen any form of offense that the governor has committed. That is why we decided we have to come to the police, we report, so that we understand what is happening. If there is anything they want from the governor, as he has said, you just inform him, you come at daytime. Kama ni nyumbani kwake mnataka kuenda huko, waende, ama namna gani? During the day, mchana, watu wasiende huko usiku. So we have made a statement here. DCI wamesema ya kwamba watahakikisha, they are going to do investigation, wafanye waelewe ya kuwa mbona hao police officers walikuwa pale, especially after a member of parliament said that they will be here as from Monday. So that's why we have reported. There is no cause of alarm. The governor is not under any arrest. Na tumesema tuwaeleze ya kuwa hakuna kitu yoyote inaendelea. Hao askari venye wameenda huko tumeambiwa walikuwa wamepotea njia. So we want them to be shown the right way. So kwa hivyo yes. Yes.